Hi, we are V&S Carpet and Flooring Incorporated D.B.A. Maintenance and Remodeling. We are located in the city of Artesia, California, where we've been serving the community and surrounding areas since 1990 by offering a wide variety of services geared towards homeowners, real estate, and property management companies. Services we provide are complete kitchen and bathroom remodeling, including appliance and countertop installations. We transform your kitchens and bathrooms into spaces that makes you feel the comfort you always wanted and that meet your style and your budget. We offer a fast and quality rent-ready service to ensure your property is ready for occupancy on minimal time. Our team takes care of all the necessary repairs, cleaning, and maintenance to ensure your property is in top condition. Comprehensive maintenance and remodeling services for all projects, ensuring safety and quality with the best materials and tools for long-lasting results. From a mailbox installation to a full remodeling, windows and doors, routine sewer line maintenance, fences, electrical services, air conditioning, interior and exterior painting, plumbing, patios, concrete driveway, roofing, and almost any maintenance service your property needs. We are experts in residential, commercial, and industrial carpet and flooring installation services, having working with property managers and homeowners. We take care of everything, from measurement and preparation to installation, to ensure a high quality and durable result.
Give us a call for a free estimate. For maintenance and remodeling services, call us at 562-608-8109 or send an email to maintenance@vsremodeling.com. For carpet and flooring services at 562-601-8143 or send an email to installation@vsflooring.com. For more information, visit us online at vsremodeling.com and vsflooring.com.